Put Coca Cola on the avocado, and you'll never feel pain again. For today's tip, we'll need an avocado, and we're going to slice it in half. Since I started doing this, I must confess I was surprised. Next, we'll separate the two cut halves. Don't worry about the amount of items used. This tip will greatly help in your daily life. After that, let's remove the avocado seed. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. Then we'll slice the seed in half. And also we'll remove the seed skin. Before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Emmanuel Chibik from Nigeria. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The avocado seed is the main item for this tip. After that, let's slice the avocado seed into several cubes. Now we'll need a container to store today's tip. I'll use a spray bottle to better apply the mixture, and we'll remove the cap to transfer the seed inside. The avocado seed can also be prepared in other ways. Tell me if you have any other recipe with it. I'd love to know. I'm sure this tip will be very useful for your home. After that, let's support a funnel to add 200 milliliters of Coca Cola inside. Coca Cola was originally created to cure headaches, stomach aches, and other pains. By combining it with the avocado seed, we enhance its effects. After that, let's cover the container again and mix the ingredients very well. I'm sure this tip will be of great help to your health. And so today's tip is ready to use the mixture. Just apply a quantity on the skin and spread it very well. Apply it where the pain is located, and soon you'll see the results. Your body will thank you very much for trying this tip. I bet you didn't even know about these benefits of the avocado seed. Tell me later what you thought of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my home. I bet you didn't even know about this method. It's widely used in rural areas. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you liked it. And tell me the results you had at your home. See you in the next video. Bye.